guys, I'm Shelley.
And I'm Heidi.
And we're from Gaijin Pod.
And today we'll be trying
fruit sandwiches!
So basically a fruit sandwich or fruit sisando is exactly what it sounds like. It's high-grade seasonal fruit stuffed in between 2 layers of whipped cream and shokpan or Japanese milk bread.
So although they're available year-round, fruit sandwiches are probably the most popular around Hanami or cherry blossom viewing season.
The first place we got our fruit sandwiches from is called Imano Fruit Factory, and it's been around since 1952. Interesting fact is no one really knows how fruit sandwiches got started, but one thing's for sure is that it's a way for these fruit stands or fruit stalls to regulate the amount of fruits that they have.
Cheers! This is actually the first fruit sandwich I've ever eaten.
In your life?
Yeah, I've been in Japan for years, but I've never kind of gone to reach out for a fruit sandwich.
Oh, any reason why?
I think I'm like just one of those people that think sandwiches should be not sweet.
Like savory.
Savory. So I was really judgmental about fruit sandwiches, but this looks really good, so I'm excited to try. Itadakimasu.
Yep. What do you think?
Interesting. It tastes good.
Yeah.
It's kind of like cakey.
Exactly. It's like cake that you can just carry.
Yeah, like, yeah.
Right? It's like portable.
on-the-go cake.
Exactly.
Wow, yeah. No, it's good, it's good.
Why do you think fruit sandwiches are so popular? Like, why are there so many fruit stands selling this?
I can't help but think the main reason is because they're super visually appealing, very Instagrammable.
That's true.
And then I think it doesn't have to be like sandwiches. You can use like croissants and stuff. You can customize it.
This one is a mixed fruit sandwich, right?
Kiwi and citrus and pineapple too.
Oh, interesting.
Ooh, yeah.
I've never had a fruit sandwich that had citrus fruits in it.
Yeah.
I've only had
I was
strawberry.
wondering how it would taste, the citrus.
And I think some fruit sandwiches even have like custard or anko in them.
Oh, really?
Yeah, like
so
really
really
mix it up.
customizable. Yeah, they're so pretty. That's the main thing. They're just so cute. Citrus works.
Really?
Surprisingly, I like the citrus flavor more than the strawberry.
Oh.
I really like the citrus. You don't like the citrus that much?
I feel like if it's citrusy, it needs to be in like a shake or something like that, not like a sandwich. I don't know.
Like the whole idea of putting fruits in a sandwich just goes against all of my Western values, I guess.
Yeah, I literally just ate a grapefruit. What was that? Oh my god.
There's banana in there, I think.
Okay, like a banana I can get because it's creamy.
Yeah.
But not like something with
My
pulp
dad
in
actually,
it.
my dad always makes banana sandwiches. Like he just cuts a banana in half, chucks it like in between pieces of bread and just eats it like that. And I always thought that was strange as well. But now that I'm eating it, I'm like,
That works,
I feel you, Dad, I feel you. For vegans out there, if there is any watching, you can actually get vegan versions of fruit sandwiches. We visited the Ebisu shop. It's completely vegan, the bread, the cream, and obviously the fruits. But this one is a bit more pricey.
It's really creamy. I really like how they whip this. Yeah, it's like...
I really like vegan cream.
If you didn't tell me this was vegan, I wouldn't have known.
Yeah,
honestly.
Yeah, like cream, I think naturally has a bit more of like a fatty flavor, right? But this is like doesn't have that. It's kind of just smooth and light. The vegan ones aren't necessarily more expensive. Like any of these kind of high quality fruit shops that sell these sandwiches, they're all around the same price, and it's really good. This one sandwich is more than 1,800 yen. I think it's because it has like a whole mango inside. But this strawberry one was almost just as expensive. It was about 1,200.
Yeah.
We're not sure if they're worth it, but we'll give it a go.
We're gonna try it, and we're gonna let you guys know our very subjective opinion on these very expensive sandwiches.
Yeah. Well, it's literally got a whole melon. It's like seeping.
Oh my god.
Seeping from the bottom.
That's such a generous
So much
slice
mango.
of mango. Yeah.
Itadakimasu. Whoa! That's crazy. It tastes like I'm eating a mango smoothie. I don't know how to explain that. I just chewed and mango smoothie just started sliding down my throat. I don't know how to explain. That's how I explain it. Do you want to try?
I'm Filipino, so let's see. Mangoes are national fruit, so. Wow.
Right? Wow, was my reaction too.
That is the creamiest mango I've ever eaten in my entire life. And I've eaten a lot of mangoes. It's so good.
It's so good.
What? What?
It's
That's worth the money.
It's so creamy.
It's so creamy. What? I didn't even.
That's what I meant. It was like it's like a smoothie in a mango.
Yeah. Help me. I'm gonna just pick it off the bottom.
What? Oh, they really don't waste it. That was like extra slice of mango in there.
You have to try this.
Yeah.
It's so like
We want to start offering it to people in the park. Like, just take a bite. Just
our
take a bite.
half-eaten mango sandwich. Take it. How do we do this, Shelley? It's like, how do you eat it gracefully? Just
awkwardly take a bite while you hold it. You have to try this. It's crazy. It's just so...
Oh my god.
It's so good. Wow.
I totally get what you meant about the mango shake.
Yes.
Because it really does taste like a mango shake.
Wow. Is it worth it? 1,800 yen.
Yeah, no, it's worth it. It's so worth it. So good.
Mango smoothie, that's all I'm getting. But like juicy, and I'm chewing it. But I'm not even chewing it because it's really soft. I don't know how to explain. It's really good.
Still really dense.
Oh, I can feel it's filled with strawberries.
Ooh.
Like even back here you can see, again, like it's overflowing. How do you think it compares?
I feel like the slices are much more generous. Like the other ones were like just a sliver of a slice.
The mango was crazy better.
Yeah.
But I really like the flavor of the strawberry with this one. It's like sweeter, but not like a really, how would I say, like overpowering sweet. Like it complements
everything.
Everything just goes together really well. It probably is the best out of the three strawberry sandwiches.
Sure.
So this was my first actually experience eating a fruit sandwich in
And
Japan.
you ate 5 or something like
Yeah,
that. 6 or
literally.
whatever.
This is a good day. I like days like this. I was so surprisingly impressed with fruit sandwiches.
Should we do egg sandwiches next? Comment down below.
Well, what flavor sandwich? What do you want to put in our sandwich?